Alright guys, so I got some parts right here so I can upgrade my Dell Optiplex 3040. So I have AMD Power Color RX 6500 XT 4 gig graphics card right here. This card goes for around $200. I have a SanDisk Ultra 2 SSD 240 gig, goes for around like $35 to $40. And also I have a SATA to 6-pin PCI cable right here. This cable goes for around $6. So let me install this real quick. Alright, so I just installed the graphics card and the SSD right here, and I'm still waiting for the RAMs. Stay tuned for the benchmark.